The mission to Titan was a success.
And the status of the return trip?
Just got confirmation. The samples have been loaded into the rocket. It's all clear and ready for takeoff.
Then let's bring her home.
It's approaching the planet, decoupling from the main body. Decoupling success. Preparing to enter atmosphere.
Temperatures are all within reason. It all looks good for a safe landing. What was that?
We've lost all communication.
Can you figure out where it's headed?
It appears to be headed to the Bermuda Triangle.
Call up Woods Hole, have them send out a ship. We'll have to find this thing ourselves.
Right away.